welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. Today we'll be painting a cherry blossom with a very interesting sky. This is a very simple yet a gorgeous painting which kids and beginners can do. For that we'll be using some acrylic paints, some brushes, and I have got a used canvas which is a stretch canvas. It's 8 by 10. So let's start. Here I am applying white and I will mix some blue with it. I am trying to get an evening sky, so I will have purples, blues and some oranges to make a peach color. Also, this painting is a perfect example of how to use a ruined canvas, and honestly it's funny for me because I make so many paintings and ruin a lot of them, and just by using thick paints you can reuse your canvas. Since this is a stretch canvas, I'm doing the sides to get a nice finish. This is a step-by-step detail painting of evening sky and cherry blossom, which I have tried to explain for kids and beginners to follow. First we have used blue and white, and now we are using purple and white to get the next color. Now for the third layer, we'll be using violet, red, orange and white to get a beautiful peachy color to depict the evening sky. And as acrylic paint dries very fast, use a lot of water to blend it well. So as you can see, we have mixed blue and white. Gradually we transition to purple and white, and then we got a peachy color by mixing violet, red, orange and white. Now we'll be painting the clouds. Kids can skip this and directly move on to the cherry blossom. So we'll be using the same colors but a little deeper tone, like wherever there is violet, we are using violet, but it's a little deep, and then we will use white to blend it well. Friends, it's springtime, and whenever I'm standing outside or taking a walk, I do see all the blossom trees around, so that was mainly an inspiration behind this painting. Hope you enjoy it. And if you like my channel or my paintings, do try it. Subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future tutorials. On top of the peachy color, here I am applying a mix of red and orange to get a deeper peach color, and then again we'll be using white to blend it. If you look at the sky, the inner side of the clouds are deeper and the side or the edges of the clouds are lighter. So we'll be going by the same process. I have mentioned the details of the colors in the description box. Now by using white, I'll be blending the clouds to get a very subtle and softer look. Keep the sky a little soft because the main painting is cherry blossom, so that would be the focus point for us. You can add an orange sun or some birds to make this painting more interesting. After the sky is completely dry, after 15 to 20 minutes, as this is acrylic paint, it dries up really fast, or you can use a hair dryer to dry the painting faster. Now we are using a mix of black and red to get a brown to paint the branches. However, if you have a deeper brown, you can use it directly. Now we'll be starting to paint the cherry blossom flowers. There would be a blackish red in between, or you can say the buds would be blackish red and the flowers would be pink by using red and white. And sometimes you can see me putting more red, and sometimes there would be more white, and then I'll go back and forth to adjust the color everywhere. I had done 3 paintings for kids earlier, and one of them was a cherry blossom scenery. So you can see that I have put the link below in the description box. You can make these flowers using cotton buds, but I'm using a brush because this is a much closer painting of a cherry blossom tree. So this is the final painting. Hope you have enjoyed and liked the painting. And if you do, please subscribe, like, share, hit the bell icon, and stay safe till my next video. Thanks.